quo of health insurance companies that can choose what they're going to cover. What do we want? Healthcare! There we go. What we want is a public option, and what do we want it? Now. Patients before profits, not profits before patients. We need your true leadership now, more than ever, to make sure we have comprehensive healthcare reform passed this year, now. We need to get the job done. We need to move forward. We need our promised change, and we need you to make it happen. Pass the Senate bill. Let us move forward and make it a law this year that we will be securing health care for at least 31 million people who never thought it possible. Make it so we can move forward and continue to make the law better from this year forward until health care is secure for all. Make it so health care is a right, not a privilege. To all of you out here today, I applaud you for helping us to get this far. We obviously have done a lot of work, but our work is not finished. At this moment in our history, now, we have the chance to have true healthcare reform. We need to continue the fight to make healthcare a fundamental right. We cannot afford to lose this battle. We are the ones who can make this happen. We are at a home stretch. We have already made change. We have the proof that we can do this. Continue to talk to your friends and family. Call Congressman Towns, Congresswoman Clark, Congresswoman Velasquez, whoever your representative is. Call Senator Schumer, Senator Gillibrand. Now is the time for us to fight with everything we have. We have come much too close. We need to get the job done now. Thank you.
Public option now. All right, Dr. Manisha Sharma from the National Physicians Alliance. Thank you so much, Dr. Sharma. Woo! All right, up next we have from from the larger division of MoveOn.org, we have our regional coordinator, Bernadette Walker. Hi everyone. Thank you, all of you, for coming out and standing in the freezing cold. I want to say that I know people are feeling dejected. I've been feeling dejected. Last week was a horrible week, and thank you. And it feels like maybe, we've lost, or what's going to happen next, and people want to scrap the bill. This is the way I think of it. This is my personal opinion. If we don't do this, if we don't get something passed now, if the Democrats, if our representatives, our senators don't get something done now, we're not only losing health care, we're losing our foot in the door, our building block for the rest of our progressive agenda, for the rest of the changes that this country needs, that we were promised in 2008. So I want to be really brief and just say, we don't need health care. We need health care because people across the country need health insurance, and we need this reform. But we also need it because we need the rest of the changes that we want. So please keep fighting. Don't give up. Don't give up hope. Please keep calling your representatives. Please keep calling your senators. Call the White House and tell them, make this happen. It's been too long of a wait already. We cannot wait anymore. And keep fighting. Elections are coming up in November. We need to keep the momentum going, folks. Don't give up. Thank you, Bernadette. Bernadette works really hard for MoveOn. She's our regional coordinator, excuse me. This thing wants to hum all of a sudden. All right, stop that. Stop. All right. I just have a few things to say in closing, and then I'll let you folks run off and warm up. So, here in NYC, good old New York City, we are blessed with an informed and motivated representation as well as constituency.
and we need to make our voices heard here in Brooklyn, as well as reaching out and making our voices heard farther and wider. And as has been mentioned, calling your representatives in Washington, calling the senators, calling your congressional representatives is important. Reaching out to them. You can also reach out to other offices that you are not of their constituency. You can call some of these blue dogs, probably need to hear from us. Let's see. MoveOn members are 5 million members strong and have been growing. In the 2008 election, MoveOn gained a lot of strength, gained a lot of members, gained a lot of momentum, and we intend to continue to use that political clout. That's why we're all still here and we're still speaking out, and we're letting those representatives, all those Democrats that we elected in 2008, we're letting them know that we are here to support them in the actions that we are asking them, that they promised us that they would make when they were elected, and we are with them.
That's right.
Yes. Let's hear it for our good representation in Washington. Woo! Thank you. Let's see. So, a couple of quick notes, and then I will let you go. MoveOn.org, if you're all receiving email from MoveOn, you are a member of MoveOn, national organization. If you go to the MoveOn website, you can log into and become a member of the Brooklyn Counsel. Right now we have about 200 members, and we could use more. Signing on as a member of the council will put you on a list where you'll be informed of actions like this and meetings that plan actions like this. So if you would like to be better informed on specific actions here in Brooklyn, or if you would like to contribute more in making these things happen, we would love some more support. So thank you all so much for coming out today. Move on!